Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Erica. Today we're going to be talking about work from home jobs. I'm going to be showing you 10 sites that you can use to find work from home opportunities that pays you anywhere between $15 to $30 per hour. So let's get the show on the road, guys. The first one on our list is a site called Jewelry Candles. This is a cool site, and I think that if you do go ahead to start promoting their products, you are going to find success because the products on here are a little different from your ordinary affiliate products that you grab off of Amazon. These ones actually come with a hidden jewel. Now, these jewelries can cost anywhere between $25 to $7,500. You can also win money cash within these products. So you earn a flat 30 commission fee of every product that you sell. Now to go ahead and sign up, you just get onto the site. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and you want to select the Become a Representative, that last tab on the menu bar at the top of the page, and you can go ahead and see whichever one fits your situation, and you can go ahead and sign up for this company. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one on our list is a site called Healthy Hands Cooking. This is cool for stay-at-home moms who want to teach, you want to give cooking classes, become an instructor. You teach kids how to eat healthy. You can do a lot with this site. You can make yourself a better mom. You just do what you already love doing, creating cool and awesome meals for your kids and for your families. Now, there are two ways that you can make money from the site. You could either become an instructor or you can become an affiliate. You get a commission with each person or sign up that generates through your affiliate link. You get a commission, and you get 100% of whatever you earn through becoming an instructor. So you can go ahead and check this site out. I'm going to leave a link in the description and see if it's something that could work for you. So the third site on our list is a site called Rev. Now this site pays you up to 75 cents per every video minute that you create captions for. And you can make a lot of money with this site. They pay through PayPal. And you could I'm going to leave a link in the description that you can come up here and go through the application process by using this form on the right. It's really easy, and you can just create captions for videos on this site. Is a great way to start earning money from home online. The more captions you make for videos for this particular site, the more money you earn. You could be earning anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per week with this site, depending on how much work and time you put into it. So let's go to the third one. I'm sorry, that was $1,000 to $2,000 per month. I don't just want to set the record straight, guys. So next we're going to be talking about a site called Beachbody. Now, this is a site that you can apply to become a coach. If you're interested in fitness and you think that you can inspire people to become better or to lose weight and become healthy, you can apply to this site to become a coach. And you can go ahead and start coaching people that have already bought into the program and they're using it to lose weight. You become a coach for this site, for this company, and you can go ahead and follow up on these people that are signed up to lose weight. You get paid up $30 or more per hour working for this site. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You just get on there and click the apply button, and they're going to see if they have jobs for you in your area. So yeah, you can go ahead and check that out. Next we have ProBlogger. This is actually ProBlogger.net, and when you get onto the site, you want to click on the jobs tab. Now if you're great in writing blog posts and so on, you can go ahead and get jobs on this site that pays anywhere between $12 to $20 per article. You can get paid per 1,000 words, and there are a lot of jobs listed on here every single day that you can start writing content for. These, let's say we want to go and take a look at this one. Yeah, let's just see how much you can get if it's listed on here. They give you a description of what they want to the topic to be about, the post to be about, and this is 100% negotiable. You see that, and the budget is anywhere between $250 to $1,500 per month. So you get on this site, it's free to apply. You can make a lot of money with getting jobs on this particular site. You can write articles for people and you can earn money. It is a great way to start making money from home. You guys need to go ahead and check it out if you're great in writing blog posts, articles, and so on. Let's move on to the next one. So similar to ProBlogger, this is another site called Upwork, and on here you can actually do if you have expertise in different website building, or you're great in graphic design, you create apps and so on, or you could just be an editor, or you're a writer. Whatever expertise you have, you can find a job on here on Upwork. You could become a virtual assistant, a customer service agent, sales marketing expert, and so on. You could set your own price, your own rate on how much you want to get paid. Some of these people are getting paid $75 per hour, and this one here, for example, is getting $130 per hour here on Upwork. So Upwork is free to sign up. You just come on here, upwork.com. I'm going to leave a link, and you want to click on the become a freelancer. Go ahead, go through the sign up process, fill in your details, whatever expertise you have. Whatever you're good at, you can fill that up and let people know what you're good at. And once they approve your account, you will be able to start bidding on jobs on here, which you can do to start earning money. These people are getting $130 per hour on Upwork. So let's move on to the next one. So this one is a site called Rover, and this site finds dog sitters, actually, if they operate in over 10,000 cities. So wherever you are, if your city is listed on here, you can get a job that you can earn over $1,000 per month. Just walking dogs, you can choose your own schedule, and they have live 24-hour support that you can, get in contact with them if you have any problems or stuff like that. Now, this is just a huge network of different pet sitters. You can, whatever pets that you're interested in, you can find them on here that you can become pet sitters for. It is a great way to earn an extra income online. So I think you guys can go ahead and look at it if it is something that you are interested in. It is a great way to earn some money online. So let's go on to the next one. So this one is actually interesting. This site pays you, it's called Zero Chaos, and it pays you to look at Google AdSense ads. Now you can set your own schedule, set your own hours, and it's really easy to apply. And if your country is accepted, you can start working as soon as possible. They pay you up to $15 to $20 to look at each Google AdSense ad, and you fill out a survey about those particular ads, and you get paid just by sitting there and reviewing Google ads and putting in your your recommendation of what you think about those ads, if they're correct and if they don't have any spelling or grammar errors and stuff like that, and how people actually view those ads, which part of Google search these ads show up on, and everything. They just want to know if their ads are 100% correct and how they show up to the public. That's where your job comes in. You get to look at these ads, fill in your result about the ad, and you get paid up to $20 per ad. So it's a great site to look into. You can go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. So another great site that I recommend to find jobs online quickly is a site called FlexJobs. But with this site, I think you need to pay an admission fee to become a member of this site. But it's really cheap. You can get up to, you can pay for a full year with just about $40. And you can find a lot of jobs on here. You can search, you can find whatever it is that you're good in. You can become a virtual assistant. You could do content writing, web design. There are literally thousands of jobs on here, and you can also just sign up and pay, I think, a $15 fee, and you could start finding jobs that you can do if it fits your expertise or whatever it is that you're good at. Yeah, I think it's a really good site to start finding jobs that you can start doing from home as soon as possible. Go ahead and check it out. I'm going to leave a link. By the way, I'm not associated with any of these sites that I'm leaving the links for. I just did some research, and I thought that it would be great to help you guys out finding some good sites that you can start earning money with from home. So yeah, let's continue to the last one. So if you're great at listening, this is a site that I highly recommend. It's called Transcribe Me, and you can find transcription jobs on here. You can just transcribe audio and videos, and it's a great way to start earning money online. There are other sites like these. I'm gonna leave a link for those also in the description that you can find transcription jobs on. So once you get on the site, you just want to click the join as a transcriptionist, and you can earn anywhere up to $20 per hour working for this site. I think it's an awesome way to start earning money online. So I hope this video helped you guys and give you some ideas on how you can start earning money online with these work from home jobs. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the description below, the comment section below, and I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and awesome videos on how to do stuff online. I'm Erica. And remember to please stay awesome, guys.